This is going to be an interesting video. I'm going to show you the alternate way of keeping your pool clean. It's called using solar sunshock. I'm going to show you how to clean it properly, and I'm going to show you the benefits of using it. I will also show you my pool. Stay tuned. You're going to like this one. I'm making this video to show you what solar sunshock could do to your pool. I have been using solar sunshock for the last 4 years. I got tired of having someone come over and balance my chemistry in the pool, and I had to pay someone weekly about $50 a week just for checking the water and adding whatever chemical is needed. I didn't feel comfortable with me and my family swimming in a pool that has so much chemical in it, and you could smell chlorine. The odor of chlorine would be strong as well, and you know what, I got tired of it, and the money would leave your pocket like water. So I had to do a lot of research. I was looking online. I was looking at this solar sunshock, and I bought it, and you know what, I'm glad I did. All I have to do is maintain the pH in the pool, which is 7.2 to 7.6, I believe. If I maintain the pH, then I have the solar sunshock. It works great. I don't have to do anything else other than this job right here that I'm about to do. Only thing you have to do is every week clean the copper anode and the spring. That's the only hard part of it. Otherwise, I don't have to add any liquid chlorine or anything else. All I have to do is make sure the pH is good. Last time I measured pH for this season was when I opened the pool. And I go by the look of the water. The water looks clean. I don't have to worry about. As long as I maintain the copper rod, I keep it clean, I have nothing else to worry about. I have two brands here. I have Remington and I had Vivli. Both of these manufacturers didn't pay me. This video is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share it with you guys to tell you, if you have a pool like mine, my pool is 20 by 40. It's a big pool. It has approximately 40,000 gallons. And I'm showing you exactly what I use. These 3 solar sunshock, and I have some floaters as well, chlorine tablet floaters. That's for rainy days. That's for days I don't get sun, because this solar sunshock needs 4 to 5 hours for it to work. So it works through the process of ionization. It makes sense. If you go to a pool store, they would not recommend it because they don't make money. This thing only, the cost of this is nothing compared to the chemical you buy in the pool store. But mind you, this one only does the job of adding chemical to the pool. However, you still have to use your pump to filter out the water, and you would still have to vacuum the floor of the pool, or you could use a robot cleaner to vacuum the floor of the pool and clean. You would still have to use the skimmer. You still have to use the skimmer net to collect all the leaves. The solar sunshock is the alternate way to kill living organism in the water, like algae and everything else. This year, I added something else to the pool, is the cover, the pool cover, which helped the process significantly, I would have to say. Last year and the years before, I only used solar sunshock, and I had to clean more often. I had to have extra chlorine tablet added because the sun would neutralize the chemistry in the pool, neutralize the chlorine in the pool. So this year I decided to try something different. So I bought a pool cover, which is called solar pool cover. And with the solar pool cover, the combination of sunshock, I've been enjoying the pool all summer long, and I'm reaping the benefit as well. So I highly recommend anyone to get a pool cover and to get a solar sunshock. If chemical bothers you, if you want to save money in your pool, I recommend solar sunshock. I think it's the way to go. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and share with family and friends. Thank you for watching.